Tonight in Texas, the pandemic is quickly spiraling out of control. With nearly 150,000 cases, at least 2,300 dead. Despite postponing campaign events in Florida and Arizona, Vice President Mike Pence touched down in Dallas, wearing a mask with this message for Texans.
If your local officials, in consultation with the state, are directing you to wear a mask, we encourage everyone to wear a mask in the affected areas.
Pence says he's worn a mask several times this week, a marked contrast to past appearances and out of step with the president, who's only been seen wearing a mask once. Today, the administration defended that decision, pointing to the president's unique circumstance.
He's tested constantly, and those around him are tested constantly and are kept at a distance even with that.
Pence was in Texas to attend an event to celebrate freedom at a church.
We are one day closer to the day we put this pandemic in the past.
Social distancing was strongly encouraged, but not always practiced. Especially in the case of the choir, not a single singer was wearing a mask. Pence met with Governor Greg Abbott, who says the situation across the state is desperate.
COVID-19 has taken a very swift and very dangerous turn in Texas over just the past few weeks.
Earlier this week, Abbott reversed course, shutting down the state's bars after previously vowing Texas was open for business. He now says he regrets opening bars so quickly. In Houston, the state epicenter, a severe COVID warning. The 4th of July canceled.
Any event that's of more than 100 people outside, those events pretty much have been canceled.
At one of the state's testing sites, long lines and little social distancing. And in the city's hospitals, less than 200 ICU beds left. Doctors, exhausted and overwhelmed, say it's a crisis born out of complacency.
People started to act like it was summer. They started to act like they wanted to go back to parties and do lots of big things like that. And it's coming back and it's biting us.
In Houston and San Antonio, residents are being told to stay inside as local hospitals approach capacity, an alert blasting people's phones. But outside Dallas, Six Flags is still open with this warning. Six Flags cannot guarantee that you will not be exposed to coronavirus during your visit. Health officials sending a warning of their own. For Texas and hotspots across the country, time is running out.
And Aaron joins us now. Aaron, does Texas have enough medical equipment?
Okay, medical supplies and manpower are key concerns. For example, there are less than 1,400 ICU beds available across the entire state. Today, Vice President Pence assuring all Texans they'll have the supplies and personnel they need.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.